taking trips, cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart, naysayers gon' aim for your head.
Hey, what's up guys, you're watching Tech Theory, and in this video let's review the iOS 12 GM version on the iPhone 6. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and click that bell icon for latest video updates. Let's get started. So yeah, this is going to be the final version of the iOS 12. So let's go to settings and check the build number. So yeah, the build number is 16A366. As you can see on the screen right now, this is the version of GM, and this is also going to be the final version which will be released to all the public quite soon. So I'll be dividing this video into quite some parts, so make sure to watch it till the end to clear all your doubts. So the most important thing to all of you is the performance. So let's talk about the performance. The performance has really been good on the iPhone 6 since iOS 12. So let me have a look at the benchmark scores. I have tested the benchmarks, so let's have a look at it now. Let's go to AnTuTu benchmarks, which I mostly tested on. So yeah, these are the scores on the iOS 12 GM version and also the final version 69560, which is quite good, but it is less as compared to previous beta. Then there is a catch, because AnTuTu benchmark or any benchmark doesn't give you the exact idea of the performance, it just gives you a rough idea. So this is roughly the idea, and the performance has really been good in real life usage. I'm using the iOS 12 and it has been really better as compared to iOS 11. So yeah, this is about the performance, and the UI is quite fluid now. As you can see, the UI is really fluid on the iPhone 6 now as compared to iOS 11.4.1 and also compared to other betas. So yeah, the UI is really fluid, so you will not face any major lag issues, but iPhone 6 do lag because it is a 3-year-old device and you can't expect a major performance improvement in iOS 12. So now going forward, the next major thing in a phone is the battery life. So yeah, let's have a look, and my battery health is 79%, which is quite less as compared to other users. So yeah, let's have a look at the graph now. This is the graph. I don't use the iPhone 6 that much because I have a OnePlus 6. I use it as a secondary device, so yeah, I don't use it a lot. So as you can see, this is the chargeable. I majorly use it for YouTube and settings. I updated just now yesterday. So yeah, these are the graph of the battery life. The battery life has really been average. You can't say a good, it is average, so don't expect any better battery life in iOS 12 as compared to iOS 11. So I got many questions regarding the camera quality in the previous video description comments. So yeah, let's have a look at the camera. The camera has been really same. There is no software optimization regarding the camera in iOS 12. The camera is exactly same. You can't really judge between the cameras of iOS 11 and 12. It is quite good, and as you know, iPhone cameras are the best and it gives best performance in terms of camera, which is the same case with iPhone 6 on iOS 12. So now let's talk about the other changes which I wanted to tell to you. So the UI is now fluid and the battery life has been really decent as compared to iOS 11. So yeah, no issues regarding the battery life. The iPhone 6 is still giving good battery life, not best, good battery life. So now let's have a look at the screen time feature, which is one of my favorite features. So it is quite useful for you to save your time, to manage your time. So make sure you use it because it is quite good for your day-to-day life. I really use it and I'm loving it. So yeah, as you can see, this is my graph. I don't use the iPhone 6 as I said. AnTuTu benchmark is the most used application in 24 hours, I think so. So yeah, as you can see, this is the screen time feature, and you get a lot of new features in iOS 12. I'll definitely list it in the description though, so check out the description. And you get one sad thing is that the old wallpapers has now been removed in iOS 12. You get only iOS 12 11 wallpaper and a black wallpaper. iOS 10 9 wallpapers are gone now, so that's a sad thing, at least for me. So yeah guys, this is the iPhone 6, and let's have a look at the fingerprint sensor now. Let's check it. Does it respond well? So yeah, let me check it, and it's fast. It is really fast as compared to iOS 11. It has been improved. So now checking screen on. So yeah, you have to hold it for some seconds. You need to press it for some seconds. So yeah, it is quite fast, but you can't compare it with other iPhones. iPhone 6 is quite old now, so it is doing a good job. So wrapping up the video now guys, the iPhone 6 is doing quite good on iOS 12 as compared to iOS 11. So if you are on iOS 11, then do update, and if you are on iOS 10 or 9, then do not update. iOS 10 and 9 were the best iOS versions, so stay there. And yeah, important thing, I'm running a giveaway on the channel. The link is in the description below, so go to the video in the description and join the giveaway. It will be helpful for you. So yeah, make sure you go and join. It is a very simple giveaway and you have nothing to do that major. You have to just follow some steps to enter. So make sure you go and check it out. That's it from this video, guys. This was a video on iOS 12 on iPhone 6. If you have any doubts regarding iOS 12 or any other issues, then let me know in the comments. I'll definitely help you out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. I'll definitely be making a follow-up video once the official release is coming, and if it has any bugs, I'll definitely list it in the description below. Thanks for watching. Peace.